Welcome to Fiverr's Introduction to Email Marketing. You'll learn how to create an onboarding and welcome email campaign. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand the key principles of email marketing automation, plan email tactics in a variety of user journeys, and implement an onboarding email drip campaign. But first, you might be wondering, who's this handsome gentleman speaking to me? I'm John Chang. I'm a digital growth and product marketing expert, and I've worked at tech companies such as IBM Watson, Kickstarter, Stack Overflow, and MakerBot. And I've taught courses at General Assembly and New York University. All of these experiences involve email marketing in one way, shape, or form as core parts of an overall marketing strategy. Kickstarter, for example, sends millions of emails every single week. I'm offering this course on Fiverr because I truly believe in the work that they do to empower, support, and educate the professional freelance community. And they really do change how the world works together. So this course is for both email marketing beginners and novices. Before taking this course, the only thing you should be able to do is recall email marketing examples from your own life, such as literally opening up your inbox and seeing any message from a business. The hard takeaways from this course include setting up an onboarding campaign in an email service provider, also acronymed as ESP, an email marketing automation strategy first draft, and establishing analytics tracking mechanisms. The format of this course is fairly wide, but that's because it draws on my professional experiences. It'll include use cases from IBM Watson, Kickstarter, and General Assembly. By the end of this course, you'll be able to assess a client's email marketing strategy, write an onboarding and welcome strategy, and implement that strategy across the entire user journey in your email service provider. So join me in the adventure of a lifetime exploring the wide, wonderful world of email marketing, and do enroll today.